beginner skincare tips for teens. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about beginner skincare tips for teens. Before we begin, let's talk about why having a skincare routine is important, especially for teens. Teenage years are when your body goes through a lot of changes, including changes in your skin. Hormonal changes can make your skin oily, acne-prone, or even lead to dryness. A good skincare routine can help fight these issues and keep your skin healthy and glowing. Teenage skin is also more sensitive compared to adult skin, so the products you use and the way you use them can have a significant impact on your skin's health. It's important to adopt a skincare routine that works. You simply need the proper skincare products suitable for your skin type. Here are the different skin types. Remember to avoid using harsh skincare products that can strip your skin of natural oils and cause dryness or irritation. Look for products labeled as gentle or formulated for sensitive skin. Cleansing tips. The first step to any skincare routine is cleansing. Cleansing helps remove dirt, oil, and makeup from your skin's surface. A gentle cleanser is perfect for everyday use, while an exfoliating cleanser can be used once or twice a week to remove dead skin cells. Remember to use lukewarm water and avoid hot water that can dry out your skin. If you have oily combination or acne-prone skin, look for cleansers with salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide that can help treat acne. Cleanse your face twice a day, once in the morning and once before bed. Do not scrub your skin harshly. Do soft circular strokes, making sure to cover every part of your face. Sun protection tips. Sun damage can cause a lot of harm to your skin over time, leading to premature aging, dark spots, and even skin cancer. That's why it's essential to wear sunscreen every day. Look for a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30 that can protect you from both UVA and UVB rays. Don't forget to reapply sunscreen every 2 hours if you are outside, especially during summers. You can also wear a hat or carry an umbrella to protect yourself from sun damage. Moisturizing tips. Moisturizing is an essential step to keep your skin hydrated and healthy. Look for a moisturizer that suits your skin type, whether oily, dry, or combination skin. For oily skin, a lightweight moisturizer is perfect. For dry skin, you may want to opt for a heavier cream-based moisturizer. If your skin is prone to acne, you may use gel-based moisturizer. If you have sensitive skin, avoid using moisturizers that have fragrance. Don't forget to moisturize your skin after cleansing and applying sunscreen. You can also use a hydrating mist throughout the day for an extra boost of hydration. Exfoliating tips. Exfoliating once or twice a week can help remove dead skin cells and unclog pores. Use a gentle exfoliator suitable for your skin type to avoid irritation. AA and salicylic acid-based exfoliators are a great option for cleaning deeply into your pores. AA and salicylic acid-based exfoliators are a great option for cleaning deeply into your pores. Lip care tips. Always apply lip balm before going to bed to prevent it on getting dry. You can exfoliate your lips by scrubbing it gently after brushing your teeth. Establishing a regular skincare routine and sticking to it is key. Consistency is important for seeing results and maintaining healthy skin. Changing skincare products often will result on skin breakouts. Remember, everyone's skin is different, so it may take some trial and error to find the right products and routine that work for you. If you have persistent skin concerns or severe acne, it's a good idea to consult a dermatologist for personalized advice and treatment.